wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best Ancestry DNA tests. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The myheritage DNA is one of the most affordable options that the majority of people agree still provides a high level of accuracy. It can break down ethnicity into 42 regions, including 7 East Asian areas, and it takes just 2 minutes of your time. It creates a family tree for you, and you can track the processing status. However, the results are only provided online. At number 5, with the tellmegen kit, you'll get a variety of medical and ethnicity reports. Unlike some other options, it breaks down your ancestral results into sub-regions within greater areas, giving you a very specific idea of where your roots lie. It provides free updates for life and even tests vaccination sensitivities, but it doesn't connect you with relatives. Coming in at number 4 on our list, 23andMe Personal Genetic Service can provide detailed lineage information for people who come from over 1,000 geographic regions. Completing and returning it is easy thanks to the clear instructions, helpful visual aids, and intuitive materials. The report is simple to understand, and it also provides raw data, plus you can pay for additional medical data. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Ancestry DNA tests, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the DNA Consultant's Premium Male gives men incredibly detailed information about their paternal history by examining the Y chromosome. It will also give you some background on your surname's origin and meaning. Unfortunately, of course, it won't work for women. It goes back 500 years and tests 25 different markers. It includes a heat map of current relatives. At number 2, the Ancestry DNA Kit gives you not only an ethnicity breakdown in a pie chart and text format, but will also connect you with any people in their database that share your genes. Sometimes it can even pinpoint lineage down to specific cities. It traces familial migration for some and is backed by a huge group of users. It secures your data at all steps. And taking the top spot in our list, if you want to know as much about yourself as possible, then the 23andMe Health and Ancestry service will pull back the curtain on your identity. In addition to learning about where your forebears come from, you'll also discover genetic health predispositions. The instructions are simple to follow, and it provides a massive amount of data, along with a map of your ethnic heritage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Ancestry DNA tests, or simply click beneath this video.